Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, it has been confirmed that the police boyfriend of Donna Lee Donaldson has been arrested and charged. Nation, drop a like on the video. Comment your comment in the comment section if you want to see justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. Now, it has been said that the constable was arrested following what is being described as a marathon case review session by the director of public prosecution, Paula Llewellyn, and her senior prosecutors. She then advised police investigators that there is no enough evidence to commence the process, which will lead to a formal charge against Mr. Maitland. Now, what was also interesting is that the DPP stated that no, there is enough evidence after the driver recently told L.A. Lewis that he indeed took the investigators to where he dropped off the item in question. Me, I'm going to hear from him and continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Ask me certain things. So, in that now, you know, when I'm a question me look around at the police and say, but you don't question me about things and so, me don't know nothing. So, I'm sorry. Me a big man. Me go straight to you. This is about a missing girl where we get missing, but over the media, you know, hear about it. I say, no, boss, like really like that.
Yeah.
Me one of my friends I work that show me a little things, but nothing like that. Me not really know nothing about it. So man said, you know, so it's the location I go and take up the settee.
Yeah.
You said, so what you say, boss? What you said to me? I'm so frightened. That's what I say, boss. So what you really say? So I just know everything just come to me. I say, right. Away this Father God. You say, anyway, Charlie, you don't have nothing to worry about. It's just a work again.
Yeah.
Them time the police them have me already, you know. Boom, leg on me and me yard and question me and say, well, you don't have to worry about nothing, you know, because he's not a this and he's not a that.
Yeah.
So, boss, when me I get my truck, because me income that.
Yeah, because you're there, yeah,
I don't have nothing to work
right
off. I hit me youth. Me and my sister and my sibling them and so they around me. See? You don't have nothing. I don't like we work with somebody. See? We want to pass left this thing and we have it. And we are try to keep it up and do the best ability in it.
Alright, so what make us so
honest word me work.
So just one piece of the 3 piece they make a carry and just the tall piece.
Yeah, just the tall piece.
And what color was it?
I think burgundy, either burgundy, some deep color, either burgundy brown, but me know it's a deep color.
The deep color.
It's mostly membrane like a burgundy.
Burgundy. That means if some blood would have deposited, you wouldn't know.
No, me not look for that. Cause that's a simple thing, and as I tell you, I respect every place you go. Security, everybody let we. Me not go search people
and
thing
then,
or them things.
And then we want to clear up the ear now, because they tell lie out there now, said it's call you get. Nobody never call you. The gentleman driving a grey car come at a Fields Hardware with 200 truck man there, and then you happen to be the one who get the work.
As I'm tell you?
Yes.
We work with so much people there, so we can't remember everybody. See?
Yeah.
You have your real customer where you have them and they name him, have your name, from him calling. So go there so and you do that and do that. We have a regular customer.
And the second thing, because I just clear more correct the news.
We have a regular people them now will come by.
Yeah.
Where maybe at the first.
So you don't know this man from Adams nor Eve or the first you see him?
First me I work with this man. I don't know him. I don't know him or nothing. It's after police hold me and one bag of thing, take away my vehicle and me get to understand certain things. See him? I don't know nothing about this.
Yeah, because people, you see how the world shot.
Not more I have to ask him when get my number when I realize where I go on.
This man is a man now, people. Me myself, because when I got Fields Hardware people, I hire this man already to people. So you see how the world small. You understand? So Fields Hardware people is a place where anybody just come and hire a truck. So about 20 truck out there, so him just get picked out. And it wasn't the BMW come, it was a grey car come, people.
I don't, me no remember which vehicle, but me know I know BMW.
So you just remember saying a grey car, other that? Alright, so people, so we want to stop the life on this gentleman now. And the man never get no $100,000. It was 5,000 Jamaican dollar. Them pay the man.
And more of them left me out of them problem, brother.
Yeah.
See, me a hard working man. See, me am a kidney to I don't want nothing, nobody do my daughter that.
Yes.
See, some don't want nobody come mix me up and talk them like a dirty thing about this and that and that. I'm hard working from the day I'm born, I'm not involved in nothing.
And people, mama tell you something.
I just set it, me carry from the apartment to halfway through the car wash. And more people love off for me dog. Who know me and who don't know me, them dirty bad minded vibes. May God bless you to allow me.
Let me tell you something, people. This man and our people, I know this man a long time because I know so I made married with the emperor. I go on the street. And him can't tell her. Even when him mother dead people, I come at the night. You understand? Because remember say, me live up a Riddles Road, this up a Lease Flat Estate. You understand? This man, people, in family, is a hard working family. You understand? The man just died in workplace and
Donation, seeing that an arrest has now been made and hearing this information now stated by the truck driver himself, who said that he indeed went to the apartment complex. He was indeed given an item, and yes, he dropped it off at the location specified by the person. Now, law enforcement was also taken to that location. What was discovered has not yet been disclosed. What is stated is that the driver was indeed released by law enforcement, but told that this was indeed a very extremely serious matter. Talk to me, nation. Tell me you think, as I say, the state already see the concern the people have. Them see the entire world watch the case keenly, and the people want to say justice. No one to that story is making headlines today. Now, nation also making headlines today. Family of the late dancehall veteran Merciless is advising the public that they have not set up any GoFundMe accounts for the entertainer and will not be creating any such accounts. And in a message shared through Merciless's official Instagram page, the family further warned the public that they should not contribute to any accounts seeking donation for Leonard Merciless Bartley. Now, of course, condolences to the family. It's a sad situation to see that. With the industry still coming to grips with the passing of Merciless, fear that people out there impersonating family and create false or fake GoFundMe pages to try to get money from people. Under these type of false pretenses, any extremes. It's almost like when the aim is getting money, there's no line that certain people won't cross. But talk to me, nation. Tell me your feed. Now, quick recap. It has been confirmed that the police boyfriend of Donna Donaldson has been arrested and charged following the ruling given by the DPP herself. This means law enforcement have enough that they can now go forward with a case against the police boyfriend. He's also been represented. He has retained legal counsel. He's been represented by Mr. Townsend. It has not been confirmed what kind of penalty will be sought in the case. As we know, we will be keeping updated as it moves forward. Some people are definitely saying that with the evidence already presented over social media, law enforcement have more than enough, and prosecutors now have more than enough. Drop a comment in the comment section. You know the sentiments. For those who don't, live, love, and prosper, and of course, stay tuned.